Do you feel very tired? Do you feel weak? Do you have difficulty breathing while walking? Do you have palpitations or cold hands and feet? These can be due to anemia due to lack of iron in the body. Many people suffer from this problem but do not understand it. It is very common in our girls because iron is released with menstrual blood every month, especially in those who have a little heavy bleeding. It is more likely to happen. Those of you who are watching this video on the internet, some of you may also have this problem, but you do not know it yet. Many people do not know that excessive fatigue or feeling weak can be due to anemia. Many people think that my body is probably weak, that I am actually like that. I do not have much strength in me. As a result, anemia due to lack of iron is not detected, nor is it treated. It is seen that the disease remains in the body for months and years. If this continues, many more problems can occur in the body. For example, when the immune system is reduced, then it is seen that there is repeated fever and cough, repeated urinary tract infections, and various infections may occur. There may even be complex heart and lung problems. If you get pregnant with this disease, the baby may have various problems. Premature birth may occur, and the baby may have low birth weight. Also, some people start losing a lot of hair due to iron deficiency. In fact, we all lose some hair every day. That is normal. But if a lot of hair starts falling out, one of the reasons for that could be anemia due to iron deficiency. How do you know if you have this disease or not? What is the treatment for this disease? And which foods can provide iron? I will explain all this very simply in this video. First, let's talk about the symptoms of the disease. Fatigue, lack of energy in the body or feeling weak, chest palpitations, shortness of breath while walking, eyes and face looking a little pale, headaches, difficulty concentrating on any task, or difficulty thinking. These symptoms are very common. Also, sometimes we see some other symptoms, such as biting the feet or tingling in the feet, especially in the evening or at night. When a whole foot, including the soles of the feet, starts biting, then there may be a strong desire to move the feet. In medical terms, we call this restless leg syndrome. Then there may be a ringing or buzzing sound in the ears. It feels like a continuous uncomfortable sound is playing in the ears. The taste of the mouth may change. There may be sores on the tongue. There may be pain. There may be sores at the corners of the lips. Then there may be a lot of hair loss while washing or combing hair. There may be a slight itching on the body. There may be a strong desire to eat things that are not edible, such as soil, paper, or ice. Again, in a few cases, it is seen that it is difficult to swallow something. Some people may even have their fingernails stuck in the middle and look like a spoon. So if you have any of these symptoms, then you should definitely see a doctor. He will talk to you and do a physical examination to try to understand whether you have iron deficiency anemia. This disease can be detected through a very simple blood test. The tests do not cost much. It can be done in a government hospital for between 150 and 400 taka, while in private institutions it costs a little more. The treatment of this disease is also very easy. When the disease is diagnosed, we usually give the patient iron tablets. Iron tablets gradually replenish the iron deficiency in the body. You have to take these tablets for a few months, usually about 6 months. Then the deficiency is replenished and sufficient iron is stored in the body. Some people find that taking iron tablets causes a little stomach upset. In that case, taking iron tablets on a full stomach reduces this problem. Along with iron tablets, it is also necessary to eat iron-rich foods so that the body can absorb some iron from there. Even if you do not have iron deficiency, it is necessary to eat these foods regularly because every month some iron is released from the body with menstruation, and iron deficiency does not show any external symptoms at first. So, let me tell you which foods provide good amounts of iron. Liver, especially beef liver, is a very good source of iron. However, do not eat liver during pregnancy. If you eat a very small amount, do not worry about it. Then beef, chicken. You can also get good amounts of iron from these. However, try to eat beef in small amounts. Number 3 is pulses, such as lentils, mung dal, and chickpeas. Eat pulses a little more frequently so that you will eat more pulses and get iron from there. Number 4 is eggs, an easily available food and a good source of iron. Next are vegetables, such as spinach, collard greens, red cabbage, collard greens, stalk cabbage, gourd, nut, Jute cabbage. Iron is available from various types of vegetables. Then chickpeas are a good source of iron. Various vegetables such as peas, broccoli, potatoes with skins, tomatoes. You can also get some iron from these. And the last food that I will mention is cashews, pistachios, raisins. These also contain iron. You can eat a handful a day. Eating too much can lead to weight gain, so be careful about it. And eat raisins with other foods. Otherwise, the chances of tooth decay increase.